Hi, we're going to see how to submit an incident report from PowerTeacher. Once you're logged into PowerTeacher, find the class, and then on the right side, click on the Student Information Contact card. Then, on the left side, find the name of the student for which you would like to submit the report. Click on the name. Now, go to the top right menu and look for the option that says Submit Log Entry. Over here, you will need to first fill in a subject, which is like a brief summary, and then you will type in details what the incident is for the student. Once you are done, just simply hit on Submit. Once you submitted the log, now principals and secretaries can view it on their admin dashboard. If you need to make any modifications, please contact your level secretary. Thank you.